Changing your subscription on Trulia Premier Agent is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you update your subscription successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Trulia Premier Agent website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Access subscription settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Review current subscription. In the subscription settings, review your current subscription plan. Take note of the features and pricing to determine what changes you want to make. Step 4. Select new subscription plan. Choose the new subscription plan you wish to switch to. Trulia will provide options with different features and pricing. Click on the plan that best suits your needs. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to enter payment information or agree to new terms. Ensure you review everything before finalizing the update. Once you have completed these steps, your subscription will be updated accordingly. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Trulia's customer support for assistance.